What is the anatomy of the endocrine system? The endocrine system is made up of 7 different glands that make chemicals called hormones. Hormones are substances that act as messenger to control in many body functions. The endocrine system makes hormones that help control growth, reproduction, sexual development, use and storage of energy, response to physical stress or trauma, level of water, salt, and sugar in the body. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is located in the center of the brain. It makes hormones that increase or decrease the release of the hormones made in the pituitary gland. It also makes hormones that help to control water balance, sleep, temperature, appetite, and blood pressure. Pituitary. The pituitary is located at the base of the brain and is about the size of a pea. It is the master gland in the endocrine system. It regulates the amounts of hormone made by the thyroid gland, adrenal gland, and testes or ovaries. It also makes the hormones prolactin and vasopressin and growth hormone. Thyroid and parathyroid. The thyroid gland and parathyroid glands are located in front of the neck, below the larynx, voice box. The thyroid plays an important role in the body's growth and development, as well as metabolism. Both the thyroid and parathyroid glands also play a role in controlling the level of calcium in the body. Adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are located on top of each kidney. The adrenal glands make hormones that help the body deal with stress and illness. The hormones made by the adrenal gland also maintain blood pressure and blood glucose and plays a role in sexual development. Pancreas. The pancreas is located behind the stomach. It plays a role in digesting food, but it also makes hormone. The pancreas makes insulin, which is important for blood sugar control. Ovaries. A female's ovaries are located on both sides of the uterus, below the opening of the fallopian tubes, which extend from the uterus to the ovaries. In addition to containing the egg cells necessary for reproduction, the ovaries also produce the hormone estrogen and progesterone. These hormones regulate the menstrual cycle.